In my previous vlog post, I showed how to replace duplicate values with blanks in Microsoft Excel. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link is available in the description box. This week, I want to show you how to do the exact opposite. That is, how to fill blanks with values from above in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes in Excel, we come across a data set such as this, possibly exported from another system, where you have headings, but you have blank values and blank cells immediately below those headings. And each value is repeated once until the next occurrence of a value appears on that column. And all the other cells, as you can see here, they're all blank. While this is fine for viewing purposes, when it comes to working with the data and doing things such as, say, filtering or sorting, you will first need to populate these blanks with values. Otherwise, you're going to have issues with the filter. Here is a quick way to populate these blanks with values from above, and it involves 5 very easy steps. Step 1, select the range. In this case, the range in which I want to populate blanks with values from above is the A2 to A20 range. Step 2, click Ctrl G on your keyboard, press Special. The Go to Special menu pops up, select blanks, and press OK. In step 3, we want to put a very simple formula that just says get the value from the cell above. And without doing anything else, press the equal sign on the keyboard and then click on the up arrow on the keyboard. Now, on step 4, we want to fill the formula into all selected blank cells. And to do that, we have to press the Control key on the keyboard and then immediately after tap Enter. And as easy as that, all blank cells have already been populated with the values from above. Now, while it seems like we're all done, there's one more step required. And in step 5, we want to replace all formulas with values. So as you can see, there's a mixture of formulas and values in this data set, and we don't want that. We want to change formulas into values so we could move things around without having the values changed. So in step 5, we right click on this column, we right click, we click select copy, and we right click again, and we press on paste as special. And as easy as that, we populated all blank cells with values from above. And now you don't even have to worry about sorting or filtering. You can sort and filter without any problems. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Moreover, to download the sample file and for more Excel tutorials, visit my website at www.wisdombydata.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.